ready to make your graphics effortlessly scalable and look sharp no matter what. Alright, we're diving right into how to save your creations as a vector in Adobe Illustrator, and why it's absolutely essential for professional results. First, open your Illustrator file and locate the File menu at the top. Click on it and then go down to Save As Euro. A new window will appear. In the Save As window, you'll see a drop-down menu labeled Format. This is where the magic happens. Clicking on that, you'll see a list of different file types. For the best compatibility and scalability, you have several excellent vector format options. Adobe Illustrator AI, encapsulated PostScript EPS, portable document format PDF, and scalable vector graphic SVG. Each has its own strengths depending on your project's needs. Choose one of these formats. Let's say you pick the Adobe Illustrator AI option. Select or confirm a location to save the file, and click Save. The reason this is so important: vector graphics are built using mathematical equations, not pixels. This means you can scale them up to the size of a billboard or down to the size of a business card without losing any quality. No more fuzzy edges or pixelated nightmares. Briefly, here are some quick tips on format selection. EPS files are great for older programs and print jobs. PDFs are easily shareable and universally compatible. And SVGs are your go-to choice for web graphics and animation. That's it. You've successfully saved your Illustrator file in a vector format. The result: a crisp, clear, scalable masterpiece. Use this knowledge wisely, keep creating, and stay sharp.